Welcome back to You Can Cook. I'm Dave, and today we're going to be talking about the frittata. This is one of my family's all-time favorite meals. Easy to prepare, put everything together, throw it in the oven. 30 minutes later, you've got a filling, hearty meal that'll keep you going all day long. So stick with me for this journey. Hope you learned something. See you at the end. I've got my ingredients out here in front of us. We're going to need about a cup of mixed bell peppers, red, green, and yellow, or orange, green, and yellow. About a cup of tomatoes, chopped roughly. Nothing here has to be chopped fine. It's all going into the egg mix, so it doesn't have to be perfect. We also have about a half a cup of green olives, about a cup of mushrooms, lightly chopped. And then we also will be using about a quarter of a cup of black olives, 10 eggs, which I've already beaten, and I added about a quarter cup of milk to these. So, and I didn't add any salt to these because we're going to be using green olives, black olives, and then the sausage we're going to be using, and the cheese, they all have a lot of salt in it. So I would wait until the end, but I did add some black pepper to this, about a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're also going to need a cup of mild cheddar cheese shredded, and about a quarter cup of Parmesan, and we'll use this at the end. It's about to come out of the oven. So the way we're going to start, I almost forgot, a pound of sausage. So this is just like Jimmy Dean, Bob Evans. It's the rolled sausage. It's browned and roughly broken up. No big deal. We're using a shallow Dutch oven here. This was actually a gift from my brother-in-law, so he'll be happy to see that I'm using it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the sausage in the pan here. And I actually forgot a utensil. I'll be right back. My boat oar. We were out on the lake 3 days ago fishing, and I lost the other one, so I just brought this one in and used it for cooking. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spread this out along the bottom. And you can do this in any oven-safe pan. A lot of times I'll do it in a cast iron, or I have some non-sticks that are oven-safe, so I'll use those. But you can use anything that's oven-safe. This time I'm just deciding to use this one. I didn't put any spray or anything in here. It should come out pretty easy. This is enameled on the inside, so we'll see. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our egg. Now this is 10 eggs. 10 eggs and quarter cup of milk. I already said that. Jeez, I'm repeating myself. So we're going to put this in here. Now this is hearty. This is a hearty meal. You can eat this anytime. All right, and you just want to get those eggs in there, and then we're going to start adding our ingredients. Any of these ingredients you don't like I know a lot of people don't like mushrooms. If you don't like them, don't put them in there. Put something else in there that you do like. Could be anything. So we're going to put these in, and then our peppers. Then we're going to do our tomatoes. Now, one thing I really like in this, but we just didn't happen to have any today, I like to put spinach in this. So while we're putting this together, I'm preheating the oven right now to 350 degrees. And once we put this in, it's probably going to go about, I don't know, probably 20-25 minutes. Now another thing you can do too is you can also add a little more cheddar cheese on top, but I'm going to do that with the Parmesan afterwards to give it kind of a nutty flavor. The last thing we're going to put in is our green olives. Now, we get mixed reviews. Some people like, no, this isn't the last thing. I'm lying to you. Oh my God. I shouldn't be lying to you. That's crazy. So go ahead and put these in. And then, so I got a slotted spoon here. We'll just take about 2 of these spoonfuls. And these olives are already sliced. So we'll just sprinkle a few of these in. And we'll mix them around. This is something that on a cold day you can eat, and it will keep you warm inside all day long. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to let it bake for about 25 minutes. Your cooking time may vary in your oven. Oven temperatures vary, but when it's done, it'll be kind of firm. Our timer just went off. Let's see what we're looking at here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. That probably should have been a 2-pot holder hold there. Oh, and what we're going to do is we're just going to sprinkle this all over the top here. Might get a little heavy there in some places. We can spread it around, that's okay. So what we'll do is we'll stick it back in here for about another 10 minutes and let it finish cooking. The way I take mine is with a little bit of sour cream on the side and my favorite sauce, my favorite hot sauce, the Tabasco Chipotle. It's absolutely amazing on any kind of egg dish. It's actually amazing on anything. But let's give this a try. My wife already tried it and she said it was delicious, so we'll see if it's up to standards. A little bit of sour cream. Get some of the hot sauce there. Oh, holy smokes. Yeah, like I was saying before, there's a lot of salty things in there. I didn't add any salt to this after I pulled it out of the oven, and I think it's absolutely perfect. If you've got a salty palate though, you might need some salt. But anyways, thanks a lot for hanging out with me, guys. I appreciate it. Try to make this. Leave me a comment. Let me know how it turned out. You won't regret it. Guarantee it. Have fun. Keep cooking. See you guys next time. Yummy.